Recent uprisings in Bangladesh have been driven by various socio-political and economic factors. These uprisings reflect widespread discontent and frustration among different segments of the population. Large-scale unemployment in India is indeed a significant wake-up call, highlighting urgent challenges and the need for comprehensive strategies to address the issue. The implications of high unemployment are far-reaching, affecting economic stability, social cohesion, and national security. An analysis of why this situation serves as a wake-up call. Economic slowdown. High unemployment can lead to reduced consumer spending and lower economic growth. A significant portion of the population without jobs means less money circulating in the economy, which can impact businesses and overall economic activity. Social unrest. High unemployment can lead to increased frustration and social unrest. Protests and demonstrations may arise as individuals demand better job opportunities and economic relief. Mental health concerns. Prolonged unemployment can have adverse effects on mental health, leading to increased stress, anxiety, and depression among job seekers. Increased crime rates. Economic desperation can sometimes lead to higher crime rates as individuals may resort to illegal activities to make ends meet. Erosion of trust. Persistent unemployment can erode trust in government institutions and political leaders. If citizens feel that their government is not effectively addressing their economic needs, it can lead to political instability and dissatisfaction. High unemployment can become a significant issue in elections, influencing voter behavior and potentially leading to shifts in political leadership and policy priorities. Internal security threats. Social unrest and protests related to unemployment can pose internal security challenges, requiring increased policing and security measures. While the context of India and Bangladesh differs, large-scale unemployment in India has the potential to lead to significant social, economic, and political challenges similar to those faced by Bangladesh. To prevent such a scenario, India will need to implement a comprehensive approach that includes economic reforms, skill development, job creation, and effective governance.